Hi students, this is Sri Hari in front of you. Now we have discussed about the problems on the Henry's law. According to the Henry's, the partial pressure of the gas in vapor phase is directly proportional to the mole fraction of the gas in solution. Okay, we'll discuss the problems on the Henry's law. The first problem is Henry's law constant for the solubility of N2 gas in water at 298 Kelvin is 1 into 10 to the power of 5 atmosphere. The mole fraction of N2 in air is 0.6. The number of moles of N2 from the air dissolved in 10 moles of the water at 298 Kelvin and 5 atmospheric pressure is. This one is the problem based on the Henry's law concept. In this problem, the mole fraction of the N2 in air is given, that is 0.6, and the Henry's law constant is given, that is the 1 into 10 to the power of 5 atmosphere. In this problem, number of moles of the N2 from the air dissolved in the 10 moles of water is asking. The formula for the calculation of this problem is, according to the Henry's law, partial pressure of the gas P is equal to Henry's law constant into mole fraction of the gas. Here partial pressure of the gas is not given, only Henry's law constant is given. From the Dalton's law of partial pressure we can also calculate the partial pressure of the gas. Partial pressure of the N2 gas is equal to total pressure of the N2 gas into mole fraction of the N2 gas. The total pressure of the N2 gas, total pressure of the air is given, that is the 5 atmosphere, and mole fraction of the N2 gas in air is 0.6. Then partial pressure of the N2 gas is equal to 3 atmosphere. From this partial pressure and Henry's law constant, we can calculate the mole fraction of the N2 gas. Mole fraction of the N2 gas is equal partial pressure of the N2 gas by the Henry's law constant. Partial pressure of the N2 gas is how much? 3 atmosphere. By Henry's law constant is 1 into 10 to the power of 5. This one becomes 3 into 10 to the power of 5 minus 5. Mole fraction of the N2 gas is equal 3 into 10 to the power of minus 5. It means that in 1 mole of the water, the number of moles of N2 dissolved is 3 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Then in 10 moles of the water, the number of moles of N2 dissolved is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of minus 5 into 10. From this mole fraction of N2, we know that in 1 mole of water, number of moles of N2 dissolved equal to 3 into 10 to the power of minus 5. In 10 moles of the water, the number of moles of N2 dissolved is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of minus 5 into 10. It becomes 3 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Okay, this one is the number of moles of N2 from air dissolved in 10 moles of water at 298 Kelvin is 3 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Okay, student? Okay, listen, students. We are discussed about the another type of the problem on the Henry's law concept. The problem is H2 is a taxi gas with rotten egg-like smell, is used for the qualitative analysis. If the solubility of H2 in water at STP is 0.195 m, calculate Henry's law constant in bars. Okay, the problem is H2 is a taxi gas with rotten egg-like smell, is used for the qualitative analysis. If the solubility of H2 gas in water at STP is 0.195 m, calculate the Henry's law constant in bars. Okay, students, listen, students. The mathematical form of the Henry's law constant is partial pressure of H2 gas is equal to Kh into mole fraction of the H2 gas. This formula, a mathematical form of the Henry's law, that is partial pressure of the H2 gas is equal kH into mole fraction of the H2S. Here kH is the Henry's law constant. What is asking in this problem? Calculate the Henry's law constant in bars. Then Henry's law constant is equal partial pressure of the H2S gas by partial pressure of the H2S gas by mole fraction of the H2S gas. In given problem, partial pressure of the H2S gas and mole fraction of the H2S gas is not given. But what is given? At STP, 0.195 m of the H2S present in the water. Okay, at STP, at where? STP, partial pressure of H2S gas in bars, partial pressure of H2S gas in bars equal to 1.01325 bar. At STP means standard temperature and pressure. The pressure of the H2S gas in bars is equal to the 1.01325 bar. Okay, from at STP we know the partial pressure of H2 gas, but mole fraction of H2 gas is not given. Mole fraction of H2 gas is equal to number of moles of the H2 gas by number of moles of H2 gas by number of moles of H2 gas, number of moles of H2 gas by number of moles of H2 gas plus number of moles of the water, because H2 gas is present in the water. Here at STP, 0.19 m of H2 gas is present in the water. It means 0.195 moles of the H2S gas is present in the 100 grams of the solvent. At STP, 0.195 mH2S is present in water means 0.195 mole of the H2S gas is present in the 1000 grams of the water. Okay, from this one we know that number of moles of H2S is 0.195. But number of moles of the water we don't know. But number of moles of water we can calculate it. Weight of water by gram molecular weight of water. Here weight of water is how much? 1000. Gram molecular weight of water is 18. It becomes 55.255. This one is the number of moles of the water. In 1 liter of the solution, number of moles of water is equal to 55.255. In 1000 grams of the solvent, the number of moles of the water is equal to 55.25. From these values, we can calculate the mole fraction of H2S gas. Mole fraction of H2S gas is equal to number of moles of H2S gas is 0.2. Number of moles of H2S gas is equal to how much? 0.195 by 0.195 plus 55.255. Then the mole fraction of H2 gas is equal to 0.195 by 55.2745. On simplification, get the mole fraction of these H2 gas is 0.0035. From the mole fraction of H2 gas, partial pressure of the H2 gas, now we can calculate the Henry's law constant. Henry's law constant kH is equal to what? Partial pressure of H2 gas by mole fraction of the H2 gas. Okay, partial pressure of the H2 gas at STP in bars is how much? 1.01325 by 0.035. On simplification, we get final answer at STP. Henry's law constant in bars is 289.25 bars. Okay, this one is the another type of the problem on the Henry's law constant. The problem is H2S, a toxic gas with rotten egg-like smell, is used for the qualitative analysis. If the solubility of H2 in water at STP is 0.195 m, calculate the Henry's law constant in bars. Henry's law constant in bars at STP if 0.